This is the MIUO brand plug-in dimmer. Let's take it out of the box. Okay, here's the device itself. It comes with a remote control, which you will need, and of course the installation manual, which really is as simple as plugging stuff in, but it does explain all of the features, and I'm going to go over them here for you. This particular one will handle up to 350 watts. It will handle LEDs, halogen, and incandescent lamps. The remote has some presets on it. As you can see here, you can do 25% brightness, 50%, 75%, 100%, or anything in between using the buttons there. Turn it on and off, very simple. And you also have a timer, which is sort of like a sleep timer. So when you press that, it'll go on and stay on for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, and shut off after that time expires. Now, if you're going to use an LED bulb, you need to use one that is particularly dimmable, and it must say that on the bulb or the package. For an incandescent or halogen bulb, well, it just plain works. This is a 200 watt Sylvania incandescent light bulb. We'll turn it on, let the camera adjust for a moment, and I'm going to bring that down to 75%, 50%, and 25%. I'm going to also now shut it off, and you'll see that when you turn it back on, it remembers the last brightness setting. But like I said, you can go in steps anywhere in between, all the way up to full brightness, or dim it down just by pressing the up and down buttons on the remote like that. And if you want to set a timer, you just hit the button there. My finger's on the 1 hour button. It'll just sort of flicker the light quick to let you know it received the signal, and within an hour it will shut off. The device itself also has a couple of holes in the opposite corners, so you could actually mount it up if you have a wooden thing. Maybe you have a lamp or something like that, and an end table that's wooden, and you want to mount it up to the back of that so it's just there and out of the way, and you can do that. Now, the box says it works with string lights, and most certainly it will, certainly incandescent ones, and if you have an LED set that is dimmable, it can do that as well. So a nice modern take on the lamp dimmers that we had back in the 1980s. Now it's remote controlled, and you can do anything you want with it, or anywhere in between. It's a great dimmer from MIUO. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.